This is how to clean your coins correctly. First, get a glass bowl to put your coins in. Then, pour in just enough vinegar so that the coins are completely covered. If you want, you can even put the coins on top of each other like this, so that the bottoms of the coins get as much vinegar on them as possible. Then, leave your coins to soak in the vinegar for about 5 hours. After 5 hours, put about 1 tablespoon of baking soda on top of the coins and leave it there for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, use a toothbrush to scrub the coins, and when you're done scrubbing them, rinse them with water and dry with a paper towel. And I'm actually really surprised with how this method works.
Jerry, what did they do to you?
I've been cleaned.
Relax, Jerry. Besides, you weren't really that valuable anyway.
Hey.
Still, someone needs to remind him of the question of the day. Hey, big guy, you forgot the question of the day.
Which is, should you really clean your coins? And the answer is no. Because when I put this quarter in a jar of vinegar, what do you think starts to happen? Well, it slowly starts dissolving. Slowly, but immediately. And because coins dissolve in vinegar, that's why we only leave them in there for 5 hours and not 5 days. Because this is what happened to my penny when I left it in vinegar for 5 days. Crazy, right? And this is actually what it sounded like when I put my penny in vinegar. And so, you should never clean your rare coins, because if you do, it will significantly lower the value of it. And so, if your rare coins are really that dirty, you could just run it under warm water for a few seconds to get anything off that might be on the surface. But other than that, you should just take it to a coin shop or a coin dealer if you really want to get it looked at that bad. However, if you're cleaning your coins just because it's really dirty and it's not a rare coin, that's perfectly fine. Because like I said before, this method works really well. Because this is a penny that I dipped halfway in vinegar, and you can clearly see that the vinegar did a lot more than if I just used water. And so that's how you can actually clean your coins correctly. And if you like, you can even like the video and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Thanks for watching.